The CEO of the ecosystem, Satoshi Kusama, recently unveiled the 5-year growth strategy that will propel Shiba Inu to unprecedented heights, possibly even 1 cent, and add to the growing excitement surrounding other ETH chain enterprises. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or own SHIB tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? The question then becomes how? Does this impact the value of Shiba Inu? All of this new information about Shiba Inu that has recently surfaced will be answered in today's video, along with any questions you may have. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. 1 million Shiba tokens are up for grabs every day on this channel, which brings us up to speed. Everyone who subscribes to the channel, likes the video, and leaves a comment has an equal chance of winning. But first, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on November 28th before we get into our issue, shall we? Approximately 2,534 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With a trading volume of $1.2 billion, SHIB's price has risen 1% in the past 24 hours. At this time, the token is the 16th most valuable cryptocurrency according to market cap. Remember that all rates are subject to change at the time of video release. Money matters are beyond the scope of this material. The video for today is ready to go. A new program is being launched by the Shiba Inu team to help SHIB holders make some more money. To encourage more people to use Shibarium's liquid staking function, the Shiba Inu development team has launched a new reward program in collaboration with K9 Finance. The team's commitment to expanding the Shibarium ecosystem is shown by the Time for the Holiday Season campaign, which offers financial incentives to first-time users. The reward program's essentials. The facts of the program were announced on X by Lucy, the Shiba Inu news marketing lead. She went on to say that this program was an opportunity for new users of the liquid staking platform to earn $500. Only users who have never staked any money using Shibarium's liquid staking service can claim this incentive. Members of the community are being encouraged by the team and K9 Finance to remain informed as additional details regarding the program are going to be disclosed. The overarching objective of this endeavor is to improve the Shibarium ecology and encourage the use of its novel features. Shibarium values liquid staking. Shibarium owes a great deal of its success to liquid staking, an ecosystem developed sidechain built on Ethereum. By staking Bone Shiba Swap tokens, users can earn prizes and gain access to K-Bone, a liquid token representation. Users have more utility and flexibility with these liquid assets because they can participate in more network transactions and activities. An increase in activity has been observed on Shibarium since the introduction of the Bum Crusher liquid staking function. The total locked value of the network hit $3.6 million shortly after debut and topped $7 million by the end of September. According to DeFi Llama, the TVL has adjusted to around $4.63 million, although liquid staking is still a major factor in the ecosystem's activity and participation. Fostering the growth of ecosystems as a whole, the team's goal with the incentive program is to increase usage of Shibarium and its ecosystem. In order to highlight the advantages of liquid staking and attract new players to the platform, Lucy underlined the partnership with K9 Finance as a crucial milestone. During a time typically linked with heightened engagement, the team hopes to boost user retention and adoption by providing considerable cash incentives. Liquid staking is crucial to Shibarium's future growth and to building a strong blockchain community, as this action demonstrates. With the introduction of additional program specifics, Shibarium's position inside the decentralized finance area is likely to be further solidified. Team members are showing their dedication to improving the network and increasing its influence in the blockchain ecosystem by putting an emphasis on user incentives and new ideas. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button if you're still here. With no out-of-pocket expense, you can show your support for the channel. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. Salary projection for Shiba Inu. The dip was bought by 4,980 SHI traders. Expect a surge in December. The cost of a Shiba Inu dog. On Thursday, November 28th, the price of Shiba Inu dropped as low as 2,400 units, continuing a 2-week downward trend of 17%. Despite the market decline, on-chain data trends reveal that many new entrants are purchasing SHIB. Could December see a significant breakout in the SHIB price? Amid Doge's supremacy, the Shiba Inu price has been consolidating. The re-election of Trump has had a negative impact on the Shiba Inu price. Shiba Inu, the biggest meme coin project in the world, has been losing public attention due to the confirmation of the Department of government efficiency, and the rising popularity of newly launched Solana memes like Chill Guy and Peemit in the past few weeks. As you can see from the graph up there, the price of Shiba Inu has dropped by 20% in the past 7 days. After soaring to 3,100 units on November 12th, SHIB's price has since fallen 20%, finding support in the narrow channel between 2,400 and 2,600 units. During that time, the price of Dogecoin reached a new 3-year high, and Solana memes such as Bonk, Peanut, and Chilby reached new records. The dip was bought by 4,980 chef traders. But now that the memecoin market is turning, strategic traders are eyeing Shiba Inu's multi-week stalemate as an opportunity to buy in at low prices. This position is supported by the following block chart, which monitors the amount of zero balance addresses and the rate at which new participants in the market are funding their sheet wallets. In the run-up to major market events, this stands in for the real thing when it comes to monitoring new users through /sells. The following graph illustrates that as of November 10th, there were 7,020 zero balance sheet wallets. Such rises in the vicinity of market peaks indicate that many existing users liquidated their holdings, reducing their balances to zero. The price of Shiba Inu started to decline on November 12th, a full 2 days following the rise in zero balance addresses as expected. Shiba Inu price stayed mired in sideways movement despite good mood following significant events like Gensler's leave confirmation and MicroStrategy's $11.4 billion buying binge, partly explained by this sell-side pressure. It failed to stage a convincing breakout above 3,000 units on November 12th. Nevertheless, patterns seen this week indicate that the price of SHIB could soon turn bullish. Anyone who dumped their Shiba Inu holdings while prices were high has begun to put money back into the market, according to the most recent statistics, which means that zero balance addresses have dropped significantly. The number of Shiba addresses in new zero balance has decreased by 2,040 wallets as of this writing. This essentially indicates that 4,980 wallets without funds have purchased SHIB in the past 2 weeks, taking advantage of the price drop to purchase it at a discount. From what we can tell from past data, a big bullish price reversal usually occurs just before a huge number of traders activate their wallets during a drop. Rising monetary inflows alleviate sell pressure and improve liquidity. The latest pricing projection for Shiba's predicts a breakout of 3,000 units sometime soon. A quick breakout towards 3,000 units could be in the cards in the coming days if the downward trend in SHIB zero balance addresses continues. This positive Shiba price prediction is backed on 2 important technical indicators. According to the Keltner channel, SHIB is currently trading inside a consolidation range. The channel's midline and important support at 2,414 units provide a stable foundation for the price. Resilience and high buyer interest are evident from this level's continued stability in the face of recent declines. Similarly, the accumulation/distribution line, which has been rising continuously, indicating that market players are growing there. Accumulation confirms this tendency. The KC upper boundary at 2,893 could be retested if the momentum of SHIB remains over 2,500. If this barrier is broken, a surge toward the psychological 3,000 unit mark may be possible. In contrast, a return to the lower channel border at 1,936 units is possible in the event of a break below 2,414 units. Nevertheless, SHIB seems to be in a good position for a bullish trajectory, with increasing purchasing pressure and a declining zero balance as it addresses its near-term goal is to break out over 2,893 units. The meat of today's video is about to begin. Getting SHIB into the top 5 is Satoshi Kusama's goal. Details. The mysterious new leader of Shiba, Satoshi Kusama, recently tweeted on the challenges of bringing a meme coin to life, making it useful and eventually making it one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies. Satoshi Kusama's interesting meme